Hi there, thanks for joining me. If you remember last week, I was down at the Milwaukee truck. It paid a visit to ECA Toolfast in Leicester. Cracking shop for all your bits and pieces, Milwaukee. And look what I came away with. This little beauty. It's a nice Christmas package. So if you've got somebody, your friend, your husband, one of your workmates, one of your colleagues, one of your employees, then you could treat them to one of these. Let's have a look inside. This comes in at about 65 quid, but it's a proper nice Christmassy Milwaukee package. And I was dead excited when they gave me it. I thought, what on earth is that? Let's just pop the back open and have a look. So what do we get inside? Wow, look at that. It's good packaging. Oh. First thing, a nice set of Milwaukee stickers. We love a bit of merch. And look at this, how it's all like. Oh, look at that. So we've got 1 Advent, 2 Advent, 3 Advent, 4, and then Christmas. Shall we see what we get inside? Let's have a look. So the first one, I don't know when you're supposed to open these. Can I just do it all now and be done with it? Oh, what is this? What is this? It's just like a lovely little box. What do we get? Oh, it's... Hey, up. Oh, look at that. A nice 5 metre, lightweight, nice Milwaukee tape measure. That's nice. Pocket size. Little clasp on the back. Locking mechanism. Yeah, I like that one. I'm showing you this. If you get one, you'll know what you're going to get. You know what's coming. Oh, this one's light. This one's lightweight. What is in here? It's very light, in fact. What we got here? Hello. I do love these. I do love them. I've got a pair. I don't know if it's the same pair as what I've got, but I wear them when I'm strimming and doing anything with the bits flying around. You've got to look after your eyes. Oh, these are tinted. Oh, I haven't got any tinted ones. They're like sunglasses as well. I'll be back. Yeah, a bit of the old Destructions. We're not interested in that. That's really nice, actually. They've got a lovely tint to them. They're going to be brilliant for in the summer in the garden when I'm strimming. Because when you put your normal white ones on, you've got a bit of glare, haven't you? Right then, here we go. Number 3. It's got a bit of weight to it, number 3 has. What is that one? What is this one? That is nice. That is very nice. A Milwaukee, obviously. Allen key Torx set. So we've got 3 on that side and 5 on that side. Oh, this is great. Look at those. That's a nice little set, isn't it? Handy and everything to hand. Pocket size again. That's a really nice frame. It's like it's almost like a resin. It's like a resin frame. It's stiff, so you've got plenty to grab hold of with that. That's a nice bit of kit, that. Like that one. Lovely, lovely. Something I haven't got. I haven't got one of those. Advent 4. What's this one going to be? Oh, I definitely haven't got one of these. Look at that. A Milwaukee knife sharpener. I've never seen one of them. Finger through. Sharpen up the blade, ready for cutting the turkey at Christmas. It's got the little diamond coarse edge on it there for doing some really smooth, fine sharpening, getting your blade right up to speed. How nice is that? Magnetic. I better go and get a turkey to go with my knife sharpener. Right, let's get that. So we've got glasses, we've got that one, we've got the knife sharpener, we've got the block over there. Oh, got all this stuff, and then the final one, the last one. I'm not sure what it is. I do know now though. Oh my word. Oh, hang on, it's more than one thing in here. We've got, that's a cheeky little tool. I like that. It's a little precision screwdriver with interchangeable ends on it. But they're very small. Look at that. You can flip the whole thing round. You can even have it long or short for storage. That's good, isn't it? So you can have it stubby or you can put it in on the length side, and you can obviously change those ends as well. Long and short end on it, hook and rotating top. Yeah, that is that's a nice bit of kit as well. Little pocket one. Oops, today's out. There's my microphone gone. Oh. Clip that back on again. I think you won't be able to hear me. Are we still there? Yeah, sorry about that. Small technical issue there. Yeah, like that. That's very nice. What else we got in the box? What we got? What we got? What have we got? I don't quite know what they are. Is that to do with this? I don't know. Look at that though. Oh God. Wowzers. That is bright. That is bright. How many settings was that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Really nice elasticated band as well, with the all-important Milwaukee emblem there. This has got like a rubberised feel to it as well, so it's going to grip. Nice comfy rest on the back there, and the button's rubberised, so it's water resistant. Really lovely. Jesus, I'm seeing dots. Head torch. I do love a head torch when you're in those tight, confined spaces. It's also got a hinge on it there. So, oh, it's a little ratchet. So you can actually adjust where you want it to shine down. Let's get this on. Let's do it. I haven't even got to adjust it. It fits perfectly. Yeah. What are these though? What have we got here? I don't know. I don't know what they are. They're like hooks for something. Let's say it's a belt hook. I don't know. I'm gonna have to have a look in the packet, see if I can figure out what they are. Oh, hang on a minute. It's got some instructions. Let's have a look. Does it tell you on here? I've got my light so I can see what I'm reading. No, there's definitely nothing on that telling you what they are. What about this one? Still none the wiser. Okay. So, I'm going to put it out there. If you know what these are for, I've got these little plastic things. They're obviously hook onto something. I just don't know what they're for. I switched off because I'm blinding you all. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. Hooks for something. Answers on a postcard. Drop me the answers in the comments if you know what these are. I don't know what they're for. Not a clue. But I'm sure they're going to make use or be useful for something. We'll keep them safe. Well, there you have it. This is the Milwaukee Christmas Advent Box. I'm well happy with that. I'm well happy. And if I got this on Christmas morning, yeah, that would make my day. So I'll put a link in the description to the website selling these. ECA Toolfast, great price. They are on sale at the minute. So yeah, drop me answers in the comments for these if you know what they are, because I ain't got a clue. And I shall see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.
gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.